Newheek X-ray bucky stand is designed for hospitals, X-ray equipment suppliers, wholesalers and professional medical practitioners. X-ray bucky stand of Newheek can meet all the needs of standing irradiation sites. The vertical design is very suitable for the limited space layout and saves much space. This economical and beautiful X-ray bucky stand provides great versatile function for small space. The liftable cartridge is convenient for patients to locate and can be used with CR and doctor panels to operate conveniently. It is suitable for patients to stand for knee examination. Newheek X-ray bucky stand is streamlined and has soft and round edges. It is an ideal choice for all hospitals. The cassette can be moved up and down along the smooth column to locate it easily and accurately.